Welcome to lesson number 19. In this lesson, we shall go over the process of organizing the issues we want to transform. How do we start? First of all, we will take some quiet time for ourselves, relax, and start thinking about life issues that are bothering us. We will define the symptoms we suffer from. For example, lack of love, money, motivation, or poor health. You can ask yourself questions like, why do you feel bad about yourself? What torments you? What are you lacking? What would you like to change in your world, in the reality of your life? Where are you not fulfilling yourself? It will be very helpful to do it in writing. Make a list of all the painful symptoms, all the blockages you suffer from, and try to find out what is the negative thought pattern that causes your reality to be the way it is. Then make a list of opposite positive affirmations. When preparing the list, you must be realistic and not get lost in fantasies. The inverse or corrective statements should be written in the present tense. I have now. Now everything is fine. Fill several pages of positive statements that will go into the resonance box, so they create a conflict with the conflict that exists within you. Detail as much as possible. It is very important to give deep intentions to the things you write, so they are not just lip service. When your frequency is weak, it is not recommended engaging in the transformation process. Wait until your mood improves. Let's go over some negative beliefs we may have regarding livelihood and money. Can you identify any of these beliefs in yourself? Notice which of these beliefs you connect with. If you find other negative beliefs you have about money, then write them down as well. If such beliefs exist in your conscious or subconscious mind, they must be transformed. And why? Because when you hate money, you actually reject it, and then it won't come to you. There are people who have been hurt in the past because of money. They had money and they were robbed, or someone else cheated them, or they did negative things to get it. As a result, a negative belief is registered in the subconscious mind, which causes the formation of a barrier that prevents money from arriving to life. There are people who live in a house where they are constantly deprived of what they have, and family members are canceling their boundaries. Or people who believe that money enslaves them are usually people who are forced to make a living without enjoying their work, or do things that are not convenient or good for them in order to earn money. When a person believes that money can make him a bad person, He will reject money because he does not want to be considered as bad. As long as there is a negative belief about money in the subconscious, the money will not reach us, and we will remain poor. Therefore, it is necessary to dismantle these beliefs with full consent in order to undergo a process of internal change. In order for us to have abundance of money, we must love money, and loving money is not a bad thing, as long as it is earned honestly and without harming others. Money is an important means in creation that causes us to be in motion and grow, and lack of money causes us suffering. According to the Kabbalah, man is commanded to be rich, brave, and wise. He should receive a complete filling of the light of infinity in his transformed vessels. When we rectify our Tzelem, our negative beliefs will be broken down and never rebuilt again, without losing all the lessons we have already learned. We do not want to lose insights and level of development we have already achieved in the process. In the next lesson, we shall go over the corrective beliefs and positive affirmations we should write in order to include in the resonance box. So thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.